How to change your name on Facebook before 60 days. Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how you can change your Facebook name before 60 days. So for that, just open your Facebook account and just click on your profile and go to your settings. In settings, just simply click on see more in account center. Just click on your profiles, select your Facebook profiles, and here at first position top you can see the option called name. Just simply click on name, and now here you can change your name. But if you change your name recently and now again you want to change your name before 60 days, you can read if you change your name you can't change it again for 60 days. But if you have changed and but now you want to change again before 60 days, so you can do it by just contacting with Facebook team. How you will do it? Just simply go back and click on your scroll, just click on your profile and scroll down, and here you can see option called help and support. Simply click on this. Just simply click on report a problem. Click on continue to report a problem. So just simply you will ask Facebook team that you have mistakenly changed your name and now you want to change your name again. So just simply click on include. Now select option, so select your privacy because name is your privacy. Simply click on privacy, and now here describe the issue. So here you can write that you have mistakenly changed your name and now you want to change your name again, and just simply upload photo, any photo if you have, or just take screenshot from your name and name section and upload your screenshot here, and just simply click on submit. You can see send report. Just simply click on send, and your message or your complaint will be sent to Facebook team, and then your Facebook team will contact with you on your registered email address, and then you will explain them why you want to change your name. So this is the way you can change your name before 60 days.